Thinking under the tree, there was a call of God, and he dropped an apple towards Newton. And now the thoughts became emergence, and he started thinking about how it worked. There was hand of God between, we can say, studying of gravity. And second example I just want to give is IPL. Have you seen IPL matches? Yeah. Vaibhav Suryavanshi? Yeah. In two matches, he tried very hard to score, but he got failed. But after seeing his batting, everyone realized he had potential. He never started like playing in four balls, two runs. He started hitting more. And then third day, he becomes successful, and he showed the world how to score 100 in just 35 balls. So I just want to say that he was ever ready to score more on less balls. He tried in first match, second match, and got succeed in third match. So you can take inspiration from you. Just try to do what you want to do, and third day, fourth day, you will get the result. I thought that if you don't want any type of help ourselves, so no, there are no goal for you, and there are only for you. And you have to do work hard, so definitely you will succeed. And I just want to say that everyone in this world want to achieve something, and those who are taking steps after first day, second day, it is a concept of God. Like concept of karma is there. In concept of karma, what is the real meaning? Is that just try to do what you want to do. If an Arjun once asked to God, that's what I have to do. If there is an iron door and I can't break it, then God said, just break your head or break the iron door. If iron door is not breaking, just break your head. So it is clear indication from the God. Those who are doing, those who are trying, I will always help him. What do you think about someone's not believing in God? There are many atheists who are not believing in God. I just want to say that even science said that if you are not moving one particle from another to another place, it will never change. Like Newton's first law of inertia, particle is not going to change it. There is not no external force applied on it. So science is also indicating towards it. Just try to do, and then you will realize that after some day it will change the position. So the conclusion was is it you have to you want if you want to success, so you have to do 1,000. And I think this question was already solved in our historical books that once a person asked, if I don't want to do work, what I have to do? And then God said that you have to do something like you have to breathe, you have to take food, you are also doing job, but what kind of job you are doing, it depends upon you. Like small job or big job. Small job like breathing, like everyone is breathing, but big jobs like you are doing something to change your status quo in your life. So it is already clear that you have to take steps. You are taking the steps, even you come from here there to there. Okay, something. So I just want to say that if you want to become successful in your life, that God is always with you. Just try to do something and then you will realize.